exploring.
That is the white tiger. It is an endangered species that they have kept in the Singapore Zoo. This is the orangutan. These are in the forests of Sumatra. This is the ornate spiny-tailed lizard. These live in the African deserts. The Komodo dragon. This is the largest Komodo dragon on record. This weighs 166 kg and it measures 3.1 meter long.
That's so big. This is lion, the king of jungle. It eats meat and small animals. This is giraffe. It has a long neck and it is a herbivore animal. We had a lovely time.